How to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop someone from calling you without blocking them on WhatsApp. This can be challenging as WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct feature to block calls from specific contacts without blocking them entirely. But there are few solutions that can help you to stop someone from calling you without blocking them. The first one is to mute the notifications. You can mute the notification for a specific contact, which will silence all the notifications, including the calls. For that, you will need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to find the chat which you would like to mute. Once you find it, simply tap and hold the chat until it is selected. Once selected, at the top you will be able to see different icons. Simply tap on the bell-like icon and then a pop-up will appear. Now you will be able to mute this notification from this chat for 8 hours, 1 week or for always. Select one of these options and then tap on the OK option. After that, now you won't get any notifications. However, this doesn't prevent the call from coming through, it just silences the notification. Another way to do so is to turn on Do Not Disturb mode. You can enable Do Not Disturb mode on your phone to silence all the notifications including the WhatsApp calls. But also this method doesn't target specific contacts, but it can be useful if you want to avoid calls during the certain times. For that, you can scroll down from the top of your screen and tap on the settings to open your device settings. In the settings, you will need to look for notification option. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it. And inside it, look for Do Not Disturb option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it and then tap on the toggle button at the right side of this Do Not Disturb option. After that, you'll be able to turn it on. Now once it is activated, it will help you to keep your phone in silence. Now once it is enabled, it will help you to avoid the calls. There is another feature in WhatsApp known as Silence on Non-Callers. If the person is not in your contact list, then you can enable the Silence on Non-Callers features in WhatsApp settings in order to avoid the calls. For that, open the WhatsApp and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings from the menu, and once you reach to the settings page, here look for privacy option. Tap on privacy. And now inside it, scroll a bit down and find the calls option. Once you found it, simply tap on it to open it and inside you'll be able to see this feature. You just simply need to tap on the toggle button at the right side of this feature to enable it. Now you won't get any calls from the unknown numbers or the contacts that are not saved in your device, but they'll still be shown in the calls tab and in your notifications. These methods doesn't completely prevent calls, but this can help you to manage how you receive the notifications. If you really want to stop someone from calling you, then blocking is the most effective way to do so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.